Yeah, hi Laz. It's Mark in UK. This is number 5 I've done for you. This is the 1254. I've got it marked down as a 3 Pro. There's no such thing. Yeah, okay, basically what I've done with this one is I've changed the laser and I cleaned the cogs on this one. I just want to note that all of them units you sent me are pretty well used, mate. They're pretty much had some real hard life on them, to be honest with you. This one's the same, it's quite gummed up, and I think I changed the cog on this one as well last night. So yeah, but it's all working for you, and you can see that there. I'll just turn that up. So yeah, that's all working for you, and that's been on test now as well for many hours. So I hope you're happy with that, and thank you ever so much for your business. I do appreciate it, and stay safe over there and enjoy your holiday, I guess, because it's a holiday, isn't it, really? Thanks very much. Have a great day.